If your water blaster is not working properly, there are a few things to check. I'll show you that now. The first and easiest thing you can check is check the filter is not dirty. Most machines have a filter here. You remove that and pull this out. So when you remove the filter, make sure it's not clogged with any debris or dirt. This one has a little bit here, but it shouldn't really affect the machine. You can go ahead and clean this, then reinstall it. The second thing you can check is removing all the air bubbles from your hose. Open the tap and let all the water come out for 30 seconds to a minute, depending on your length of the hose. Make sure the water flows out of here freely. All that flow of water and all the air has been bled out from the pipe. Connect it to your machine and go and open the water again and press the lance. So now with the power switched off to the machine, press the trigger and remove the lance and hold it for like 20 to 30 seconds. As you can see there, that's air bubbles. Once you're satisfied that you think there's no more air bubbles, you can switch on the machine and connect your lance. So if you're still having problems with your water blaster, it could be the lance. Check out my other video that I made. The link is in the description down below, or just check out the channel. And don't forget to give this video a like.